Now let's call on si Sol at si Luna's executive producer, Mr. Chris Cahilig, for his welcoming remarks.
Magandang hapon po mga ka-Pure Gold. Nako, ito na naman po tayo ngayon. We have another digital series, si Sol at si Luna. Of course, directed by Direk Daryl Dulo. At syempre, star-studded to. Alam mo, ikukwento lang ako sa inyo. I was so happy because ang kwentong ito ay isang napakagandang proseso. It's about, sabi nga ni Direk Dali, it's about finding the right place for a material. Naghahanap kami ng bagong material for a series at meron kasi kami isang script na meron kaming FOMO doon sa script na yon. Part siya ng Sini Panalo, one of the strongest scripts, pero eventually kunting-kunti na lang, siya na dapat yung isa sa mga pelikulang lalabas. At hindi talaga, parang hindi namin hindi mawala sa utak namin. Gusto namin siyang makita because when we were reading the script, it's so beautiful. At nagkataon na willing naman actually na ipahiram sa Pure Gold channel ni Direk Dali ang kanyang script for si Sol at si Luna. At ito na nga, naging isa na siyang full-blown script. It was rewritten, same concept, same everything, but for a longer, fleshed-out 13-episode series. I think a lot of people are asking, bakit ba si Pure Gold nandito sa ganitong industriya? Pure Gold is the pioneer of retailtainment. Ang retailtainment ay pagpo-provide ng isang avenue for creativity and entertainment para sa ating mga ka-Pure Gold online. Siyempre, di ba parang online, ang dami natin nakikita ang content. Gusto namin i-level up yung content. Gusto namin very cinematic yung ibibigay namin sa inyo. Kahit na isang season lang siya, isang 13th episode na may 25 to 30 minute na scripts, gusto namin may cinematic experience. Libre lang to because makikita niyo lang to sa Pure Gold channel every Saturday at 7 p.m. So guys, ano pa, di ba? Ganyan ka-generous si Pure Gold to be able to produce a series like this. At syempre, lastly, I'm so happy. Maraming salamat sa ating cast and crew. Particularly, alam niyo, may konting kwento lang ha, bago tayo magsimula. Alam niyo, si Zai Chan, may commercial siya dati. I think it was his very first commercial, yung for a milk brand. Yung gatas na choco na gatas. That was actually my casting for the milk brand. We worked together when he was a kid. Ngayon, mumumukbang na. At syempre, I'm so happy na nandito ang isa sa nire-respeto ko ring artista, isa sa mga pinakamagagaling na aktres sa kanyang henerasyon. I've always wanted to work with her. I was so happy kasi noon ko pa siya talagang gustong makatrabaho at nangyari yun ngayon. Maraming salamat, Jane. So on behalf of Pure Gold, maraming salamat at sana tangkilikin niyo ito. Siyempre, maraming salamat din kay Boss Vincent Ko na walang sawang sumusuporta sa film industry. Meron tayong Pure Gold channel, meron pa tayong film festival. At siyempre, ang walang kapagod-pagod na senior marketing manager ng Pure Gold, si Miss Ivy Piedad. Nasaan si Miss Ivy? Pwedeng palakpakan naman natin si Sir Vincent at si Miss Ivy. At ang ating partner from Republic also, maraming salamat. Salamat po sa inyong lahat and welcome to si Sol at si Luna.
And thank you so much.